I am about to do something that's very, very big.
Okay, hello everybody. Yeah, you can see I'm back out here. Whew, and it's freezing, but I'm gonna get the transmission out of that motorhome. If you see me doing this kind of stuff, well, and you try it, that usually means you're pretty desperate. But time's ticking and I can't wait. So I'll show you how I'm gonna get it out of there. Strategically place these boards just like that. That should work good. Then I'll show you how I got her rigged in here. My handy dandy 4x4 from an old hammock that I took out of the backyard. Put a chain on it. I put my come along here. She's all the way up, so all I got to do is undo it and let her down to my favorite Harbor Freight super cheap guaranteed to break ratchet strap down onto the transmission. You can see I've already started to separate it, so all I got to do is stick my pry bar in there, pop it loose, then let the transmission with the come along ease it down onto that pallet. Then I'll lift it up with the ass end of this up with the backhoe, take my Explorer over there, hook the chain onto the pallet and drag it out from under there. That sounds like a heck of a plan. Something's going to happen. Something's probably going to break. And, well, as long as I come out with all my fingers still on it and a transmission, I'm in good shape, right? All right, so watch me do this. Or watch me break it. All right, where's my daggum? I left it in the shop. There we go. Put it on the right side of that flex plate so I don't bend the ever-living bejesus out of it. There we go. The flex, that tin cover stays with the block. Here's the part where I'm probably going to break something. There she goes. Now, the fun part. Now for the real fun stuff. Get you guys set over here where you can see it all. Make sure that's all in frame, because I want you guys to get real good evidence on what I break right here. All right, here we go.